Hello Welobers and welcome to Info Barça. These are the top 3 Barça news of this October 30, just in a minute. Barça won yesterday against Espanyol, the Catalan Supercup, and is ready to face La Liga. The first trophy arrives to the club, and this weekend Celta is waiting. It was in the penalty shootout where Barça won the first trophy of the season against Espanyol. This penalty of Rakitic, who scored the last one, gave the trophy to Barça. During the match, Piqué scored the only Barça goal after a great play of Suárez. The squad prepared to the important match that's coming next Saturday at Camp Nou. La Liga is back after the defeat in El Clásico. Celta is the next rival and the team want to achieve 3 points again to continue the top of the table. And pay attention because this Saturday can arrive Luis Suárez's debut. This time at Camp Nou, Barça's number 9 will be able for Luis Enrique to face La Liga match against Celta and step on Camp Nou's pitch, this time finally in an official match. That's all for today. Don't forget to keep in touch with Barça's community at Weloba.com, as well as you can do it in our Twitter and Facebook account. See you tomorrow, Welobers!